Hello guys, in this video we'll be learning how to write a string and a few commands you could use on it. First we need to know what a string is. A string is a series of characters inside of quotation marks. First we'll write a variable to assign the string to, then add a pair of quotations, and then inside of the quotations you're going to write a word or a character. Anything inside of the quotations will be turned into a string. Now we're going to console.log the variable holding the string, and then hello world will appear in the console. We're going to learn how to assign a new value to a string. To assign a new value to a string, we're going to write the name of the variable that's holding the string that we want to change, and then add a pair of quotations, and inside of the quotations we're going to write what we want to change it to. So now we're going to console.log the variable of the string, and then in the console it will say by Devin instead of hello world. Now we're going to learn how to access a character inside of a string using char@. To do this, we're going to write a new variable. And then we're going to write the name of the variable that holds our string. Then we're going to write a dot to make it an object. And then we're going to write char@, and then add a pair of parentheses after. And inside of the parentheses, we're going to write the index of the element we want to access. Then we're going to console.log it. So then our specified element will be in the console. Now we're going to learn how to replace an element inside of a string. For that, we need to use the replace function. Now we're going to make a new variable. I'm going to call it uppercase. Now I'm going to write the name of the variables that holds the string. Now I'm going to write dot and then replace. And then I'm going to add a pair of parentheses after. And inside of the first parameter, I'm going to write which element I want to replace. And then in the second parameter, I'm going to write what I want to replace it with. Now I'm going to console.log uppercase, and then hello with a capital H should be in the console.